Dear viewers, welcome to our YouTube channel. All available. Online. Hello viewers. Today I am going to teach you a very useful formula in Excel called Sumif. Sumif can be used to sum a specific numbers through a criteria given in the formula. So, let's start, shall we? As you can see above, I have prepared a table of mark sheet with marks of some students. There are total 5 test results in the example of 3 students. This formula can be very useful when you have dozens of students and various tests to calculate the total number obtained by each student in all the tests. So, let's begin. In the end and in front of total marks, I will apply formula to calculate total marks of each student. This formula has 3 steps. In first step, you need to define the range, which is criteria column and the value column together. In example above, it is column C and D, which mean the name of the student column and marks obtained column. Second step is to give the criteria, which, in our case, is the name of the student we want to know total marks. So I selected our first student name, close. Then third step is to select all the numbers in the column which we want to sum in front of student name, which is marks obtained column in our example. Let me repeat the formula for other two students, and I hope you will better understand it that way. As you can see above, I repeated the formula for other two students as well, and it calculated the total marks for each one of them. I hope you understand the formula, and if there is anything you want to ask, or you want me to do video on it, please post it in comments. I will consider it for sure. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you and cheers.